If saving money on communications is your destination, your outdated land mobile radio system won't get you there. It's no secret that LMR networks and consortiums are expensive to procure, deploy, maintain, and join. Add to that the hefty price of two-way radios. And what do you get in return? You may struggle with low priority if you share the system, limited spectrum, a cap on the number of users, and dropped signals when you pass service borders. So how can you detour the high costs and low returns of LMR to save more than 50%? Implement Celrado, the new IP-based solution from Clever Devices. It uses commercial broadband networks to provide you with fast, secure communications at less than half the cost of traditional LMR networks. Talk over mobile devices, mobile consoles, and dispatch equipment you already own. Integrate Celrado into your existing CAD and/or AVL systems and your radio console to offer users a friendly and familiar experience. Don't have CAD? No problem. Use Celrado as a standalone solution. You get the reliable features and functionality of radio-like communication without the setbacks. Create unlimited talk groups and connect instantly at the push of a button. Do scanning and priority scanning. Send emergency alarms and covertly monitor conversations. With Celrado, there are no limits and no boundaries. Stay in touch wherever you go via Celrado's Android app and broadband connection. Leverage multiple broadband providers to multiply your coverage, capacity, and confidence. Or, for extra resiliency, keep your LMR as a fallback option. If one system fails, the other will automatically take over without any effort or disruption to you. You won't even know it happened. Such seamless redundancy is exclusive to Celrado. That's how you can move from an aging network to new age technology without driving up costs.